Hello everyone, I'm always forgetting the date, is it the 15th of March? 7th? Hello everyone, it's the 7th of March 2018, still in New York.
It's going to be a big snowstorm today.
Apparently that's right, it's going to be a big snowstorm, that's why we're dressed like this. It's our last day, so I want to video the places that we go to today, because it's probably going to be our more favourite ones. First up's Blue Bottle. Awesome, thank you so much.
No problem.
So if you want to get decent coffee, great service from everyone, and just walk into a nice atmosphere, go into Blue Bottle. Every single one we've been in has just been great, and we've been in probably a few different ones, haven't we? 4 or 5 different ones, I'd say. A few times, and just every time the service has just been so nice. Everyone's been so lovely, nice warming energy. Cool. We're gonna go to a place called Little Czech Apothecary next. Let's go. So we're coming up to the Little Czech Apothecary. Gonna go in here and get some crepes. Nice. Some less on. So it's just started snowing. The storm has started. It's not settling though, because it's just been raining so much, so it'll be interesting to see what happens later when it comes a bit thicker. Oh, it's coming. It's really cold actually. Anyway, yeah, that's probably our favourite breakfast place. It was between there and Champs, but we kind of prefer the Little Czech Apothecary just because it's a bit healthier. Champs, you just feel really disgusting afterwards, whereas that place is just, yeah, it's not as heavy as it. It's gluten free as well, and like it's a little bit different and interesting.
It's quite good prices as well.
Yeah, that as well. So now anyway, we're just to get inside from this, we're going to go to the Le Labo Cafe.
We're just going to our third cafe.
The third cafe, yeah. Just because we haven't been there yet, and there's not one in London, so we wanted to check it out, and someone recommended it to me, so yeah, we're going there. Gotta put my camera away because it's getting really wet. Oh fuck! So the Labo Cafe was actually shut in the end, which is a shame because we found out it was completely vegan, but it was actually shut because of the storm that's coming, which is getting really bad now, so I don't know if we'll be able to continue videoing. So now instead we're going to get the subway into Manhattan, probably like Greenwich Village area, and just go and sit in a cafe or something, just because it's our last day and we want to make sure we're in Manhattan and then experiencing it. And it's a snowstorm, so it's kind of cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, assaulting New York City subway and bus first.
The next last stop is 8th Avenue. 8th Avenue.
So we just got into Manhattan. It's getting pretty treacherous now, and I think it's only going to get worse.
Show them the road.
But it's so beautiful.
It's literally started sticking in about like 1 minute.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Oh. Yeah, this is it's kind of an amazing experience actually. I've always wanted to see it snowing in New York, and there it is. Oh, sorry. What?
Is that being kept?
Oh, yeah. So we've just taken refuge in a little cafe on just off of 6th Avenue, and sitting by the front window just watching the snow, which is so nice. Got coffee.
You look so wet.
Sitting in a cafe for about an hour now, and we're getting hungry, so we're going to go on to 4th cafe of the day, 5th even.
Wait, 5th? No.
5th, 4th or 5th, you know, because you've been watching the video. But we're gonna go to By Chloe, I think, again, just because we fancy something a little healthier.
It's still like warm.
It is still warm, yeah, and not too far away as well. Most of the places around here are like juice places and stuff, so.
And places are closing.
Yeah, places are closing. A lot of places are like finer dining around here as well, and we just want some lunch for now, so let's go. Snow's kind of stopped. It's supposed to get a lot heavier again, I think, in like the next couple of hours. But right now it's just kind of raining. But anyway, we found out as well if our flight gets cancelled tomorrow, then the next available flight is until Sunday, which is in like what, 4 days time? Yeah. And apparently they cover like all food costs and expenses and a place to stay.
It's not even been cancelled yet.
So yeah, I don't want to curse it, but the thing is, the snow like stops completely by 12. So I've got a feeling it won't be cancelled, if I'm honest. But we'll see. We'll see about that. Here we are again. Oh. So just in By Chloe again. We're sharing chips, mac and cheese. Daisy's getting the kale Caesar salad, and then I'm getting the meatball sub again. And then also, is Emma and Sue coming here?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple of friends are coming here who like own a magazine called The Messy Head. Founders of the magazine called The Messy Head. So I probably won't really video when they get here because I just feel a bit rude videoing some friends around. So yeah. Woo! I should put it on top of that. Okay, so Emma and Sib couldn't make it to buy Chloe, so we're gonna meet them like halfway at this bookstore.
Cafe number 5.
Cafe number 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now. Okay, somewhere different. We've changed the location.
It's gonna be cafe number 5.
Oh, it's called Cafe number
Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride.
5.
No, it's not.
It's she means it's the 5th cafe that we're going to.
A little bit of Monica in my life.
I understand now. Oh man. So yeah, we're gonna go there, meet them. Like I said earlier, they basically are a founder of a magazine company called The Messy Heads. And it's just a really nicely laid out magazine with lots of nice like art in there and kind of inspiring stories and quotes and all that. So yeah, we're gonna make our way over there now. It's still absolutely throwing it down with snow, so let's make our way over there. Look at it.
Slushy.
It's fucking so slushy. Look at this. It's getting slicky now actually, it's sticking quite a lot. There's something really, really beautiful about it though. It's still so pretty.
She asked me why I'm here, but I come here every night. Do you need to tell her something? No, I need a place to ride. And as the sea of darkness falls and casts us into night, you asked me what our name was called, but I found it hard to write. One time I was impaled for a log and thrown into a pile.
So the snow's actually gotten a lot
Said you know where I'm coming from, and she looked me in the
Can't vlog
eye.
that myself, I said.
Lover boy.
There we go. So we just finished up in the cafe meeting with Emma and Sid from the Messy Heads, which was nice because we haven't seen them for a while, and I cannot believe how much worse the snow's got since we've been inside.
We've been inside for like an hour and a half and it's got so...
It's literally just, yeah, like before we went in it just wasn't really settling at all, it was just sticking a little bit, but like, look at it.
It's also like deceiving because it doesn't, if you just look at the ground, it doesn't look like there's that much snow, but there's actually like, probably, would you say an inch already?
Probably, yeah. It's really hard to capture it on camera as well, how like quickly it's coming down. You can probably see now actually.
It's
But,
kind of like torrential rain.
yeah.
Snow.
By the way, I've got my sunglasses on to stop the snow going in my eyes, just in case anyone's questioning that. I actually heard that earlier and I thought it was thunder and lightning. So we're actually on our way to our favourite place that we've ate this week, and it's Double Zero Pizza, which is a plant-based pizza place, and just the flavours that we had were just incredible. So we're going back there.
And everything's like completely homemade, like they make all the cheese themselves. Look at me.
Yeah.
They make all the cheese out of like cashews and...
So, but then it's like, it's kind of taken up a notch, so it's like the flavours are really thought about and taken up to a new level of layering instead of just making pizza. It's like, almost feels like fine dining pizza in a way.
It looks like my scarf is actually white. it's green.
So we're going there, we're on the way there now. We're going quite early because we're considering walking back to Brooklyn, but I don't know how possible that's going to be. We might have to get the subway, I think, because it's getting really bad. And my bag's just gone down to, I've lost 2 handles of my bag now as well. So yeah, I'll see you at Double Zero Pizza. It's actually quite deceiving because a lot of it's slushy and it doesn't look like it's deep, and then it's actually like really quite deep.
I don't know if we're going to be able to walk home.
And I kind of want to though.
She asked me why I'm here, but I come here every night. Do you need to tell her something? No, I need a place to ride. And And as the sea of darkness forms and casts us into night.
Here it is.
Should we look at the menu?
Let's have a look at the menu. I'll have the snowflake sourdough focaccia, please. Yeah, we're gonna eat outside today. This is the place. You can't really see it, the lens is wet. So we got to 00 Pizza and we wanted to sit next to the window so we can watch the snow and feel all cozy because he doesn't want to do that.
I think I got just water.
So we're going to get the white pizza with truffle cashew cream. Let's see, cream. And then we was going to also get the creamy artichoke pizza as well. I think. Yeah, I think we're gonna go for the chocolate cake, thanks. Go! Oh, still snowing. Okay, so we just finished up in 00. So delicious in there. The flavours are just amazing. If you go, if you go, get the creamy cashew truffle pizza mushroom thing. It's fantastic. Anyway, now we're not gonna walk all the way to Brooklyn. We're gonna walk back into Manhattan a little bit and get the subway from there because it's not that a nice walk from here to Brooklyn and through.
It's like treacherous, so slippy.
Yeah, it's treacherous. It's really slippy. The snow's gotten really deep, and this is like I say, a nicer walk. So we're gonna do that, and we want to walk for a bit just because it's our last night, and we don't just want to jump straight on the subway. So I want to cherish it. So yeah, on we tread. On we go.
Camera.
I don't care if it's 7 o'clock at night. I'm putting my sunglasses on when it's like this because we keep getting gusts of wind just pounding hail into our eyes. So I'm wearing my glasses.
Ask me why I'm here, but I come here every night. Do you need to talk?
So we're back at the Airbnb. What a bad start. So I'm back at the Airbnb. Oh god. So we've now got back to the Airbnb, and the video is gonna end there, I'm afraid, guys. If you like the look of the meal and the place that I took Daisy tonight, give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't,
subscribe.
Give it a thumbs up. If you like the look of my videos, and yeah, if you want to see more, then hit that subscription box. And also, ooh, just found a Cliff Bar in the bag. Awesome. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the video too, guys. Awesome. Be kind. Love big. Mwah.
Or something. No, I need a place to ride. And as the sea of darkness forms and casts us into night, you asked me what our name was called, but I found it hard to write. One time I was impaled for a lawn and thrown into a pile. I said, you know where I'm coming from, and she looked me in the eye. Lover boy, you drive too quick, you're fading outside. Is it the numb density? Can't even look her in the eye. Where tiny men have been absorbed for questioning the sky, to when and where the stars were formed, to glance upon this night. Light years to sit upon and paint us as we lie. And I think it's us she's wasted on, can't even look her in the eye. See, I found a new place to mourn. She asked me who died.